dealing with the coronavirus outbreak, but that were teetering on the brink of sustained transmission. And 21 cases of coronavirus have been confirmed on a cruise ship being held in quarantine off the coast of California. Around 140 British people are among those on board the Grand Princess, as well as a number of Irish citizens, including, it's understood, a senior crew member. 2 Irishmen have been charged as part of an investigation into alleged human trafficking. They were both arrested at the Kent port of Dover following the discovery of 10 migrants in a lorry carrying tyres in Belgium. The driver was arrested by Belgian authorities. The 30-year-old anti-entry man who was detained after presenting himself to the PSNI has been released on bail. Britain's aerospace industry has warned the government is putting jobs and investment at risk after the Transport Secretary Grant Shapps said the UK would leave Europe's aviation safety agency, the EASA, at the end of this year. The agency oversees all aspects of aviation safety. And with the weather, here's Angie Phillips.
Mild this afternoon with temperatures up to 12 or 13 Celsius, but overcast and windy with spells of rain spreading in, especially to western areas where the rain becomes more persistent. Still wet and windy this evening as the rain spreads further east. Overnight, clear spells and blustery showers will follow that band of rain, some of the showers heavy. A bit cooler again with lows around 4 to 6 degrees.
BBC News.
Sports Time. The Irish Premiership on BBC Radio Ulster.
It's 35 seconds past 3 o'clock, but they've already been playing for at least 2 minutes at the Crusaders, and a disastrous start, Barry Flynn, for the home side.
Michael goal for Institute, 1 minute 10 seconds on the clock. It was Connor Tuitt, a header past him, and would have been floated in the free kick. Great header, looped over the keeper into the net. Interesting, Michael, very interesting, one in the street.
And visions of Barry Flynn being blown away very Poppins style over the dual carriageway. Who knows? Let's head and start our coverage of the games with the top of the table. Ballymena United against Coleraine, an Irish Cup semi-final warm-up. And Coleraine starting the day in second spot. Let's go to the comedy team back at the showground. Walker alongside Grant Cameron. Good afternoon. Hopefully you can hear us above the PA here. Ballymena United in their sky blue shirts and socks, white shorts. They are waiting to kick us off. Caher Friel back in the team this afternoon from suspension, and we are underway here. Coleraine in their blue and white striped shirts, blue shorts and white socks, playing Coleraine. Ballymena United playing from left to right as we look here. And well, I have to say the weather has actually held up not too badly. We were